bathing products with clear slime. So yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, first we're gonna do is this Play-Doh, this bath Play-Doh soap thing. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so here's some clear slime. Look at that. So nice. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our Play-Doh. So here we go. Ta-da! Okay, so here they all are. It smells like, I don't know, but this is so weird. I have to play with this. Whoa, I honestly like the texture of this a little bit more than the regular Play-Doh because it's just so like, it's like really soft and it smells so good. I'm gonna put this purple one and I'm gonna put this blue one. There we go. And this pink one. Alright guys, so usually Play-Doh melts, like it melts the slime when you mix it, regular Play-Doh. So I am very curious to see how this is gonna react. I feel like it's gonna melt a little bit, but maybe since it has soap in it or something, it'll like activate again. So let's do this. So far it does not seem like it is activating, but let's give it a chance. It looks really cool, honestly, but it is completely melted, guys. Although it looks amazing. Doesn't it look so pretty? It is completely melted though, and this was a fail. But maybe this will get like soapy and like... Okay, this is actually turning it into a very pretty color. It's turning kind of like fluffy too and soapy. Probably because this is like soap Play-Doh. But it is turning very pretty. I actually kind of like it. Alright guys, I have been needing this for so long and here's how it turned out. I'm still freaking activating it. It literally took the whole bottle of my activator. But it seems like it is kind of starting to get together now. It's getting its life together now. And it's kind of, I am very curious to see the texture because it looks kind of like it's puffy and soapy. So I am excited. Alright guys, here is the final product. I finally got all the Play-Doh and I kneaded it into there. And here's the final product. It turned purple and it is fluffy and weird. But mostly it is fluffy and jiggly and I'm actually kind of liking it. Like it actually has a really cool texture. And yeah. So let's do some ASMR. Alright, well that was an interesting one. You guys comment down what you think about that one and let's keep going. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do the like button. Show you guys subscribe, press the like button with your chin. And then you have to turn around and then say, Slime is my best friend. And yeah, okay. Then you guys comment down below what kind of reactions you got and let's keep going. Alright guys, next what we're gonna do is this color tablet bath drops. Just have to break that. Anyways, so here they are. These are basically just tablets that are colorful and they like make your bath colorful. Ugh, oops. Anyways, they make your bath like, you know, a color and I gotta be pretty cool to do it if it makes my slime a color or something. All right, let's mix it in. Oh, it's already starting to color. Okay, this is interesting. It's coloring, all right. It's coloring and it's not even melting, guys. This is actually so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it fell out. But here is the end result of that right there. I think it's actually very good if you can't find any like food coloring maybe or like any paint. It's actually pretty good. That is so pretty. It actually did such a good job. And then I'll just save that for later. All right, we're gonna do it again with a blue one because I want to see. It was so cool. Okay, there's a blue one. This has blue, red, and yellow tablets. It looks so cool. Okay, well that's it for that. This is actually working so well. Looks so cool. Should I do one more color?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do the yellow one. I really want to see it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the yellow one. This is the last one I want to see. So cool. Oh, that one fell out fast. Okay, that one's not staying in as much, but it does work. Okay guys, so that is all 3 raspberry colors. They look so cool. Honestly, I think it was pretty cool. If you don't have any food coloring and you have to find some, these work pretty well. And maybe if you put water in it before you put it in the slime, but let me just go ahead and mix these now because they're such pretty colors. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is such a pretty rainbow. All right, well, it just turned purple, which is pretty good. I like it. All right, well, that is it for that one. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, next we're gonna do is this 3-in-1 body wash, and I thought it'd be cool because it's kind of like globby and stuff, so we're gonna try it out. Look at that, it's so globby. I should put some food coloring so we can see better. Look at how globby it is though. Like it's like slime already. I decided to use my little tablet as a coloring source, so I put a little bit of water in there, and we'll see how that goes. It's already sizzling, it looks so cool. It's like a miniature bath bomb, but it's like just color, which I love. It smells good. Let's add a little bit, actually more. Okay, and let's do this. Okay, let's see how this turns out. It's actually like activating, guys. It's becoming very puffy too. Wow, that colored it very well. Look guys, now I have yellow food coloring. It smells so good. I really want to know what will happen to this when it clears up, because I know Rainbow Playmaker puts like foam soap in her clear slime and it becomes so nice and clear. So maybe putting just soap in this one will make it super clear too. And it's so crackly. I actually really love the texture of this. And I am absolutely loving this. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna see how it looks when it clears out because I am super excited for this. Like, it is so cool. You guys comment down below what you think. I didn't think it was gonna do too much, but like it actually made the texture really cool. So yeah. All right, let's get on to the next one. Next video, guys, is this foam soap. And I think I've done this. I've like put it in slime before, but I haven't put it directly into clear slime. So I really wanted to try that out. And plus, it comes with like a little play shaver and it was really cool and I liked it. So yeah. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and put it. We have orange and, oh wait, no, it's peach. Oh my gosh, that's gonna smell so good. And birthday cake, I thought it was gonna be grape. Wow, they are getting it. Okay. I love these because it comes out in like a really like thin strand. I don't know if you can see. But it looks, it like you can write with it and it's so cool. Let me smell this. Smells like peaches. Smells like cake. Wow, that smells fantastic. Okay, let's mix it. Is it just gonna turn into a fluffy slime? Is it gonna completely just get messed up? This is foam soap, not shaving cream. I don't know, there's a difference, but yeah. Okay, this turned into complete trash. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. It smells fantastic though. It smells like a nice birthday cake. Oh my gosh, so good. But the outcome isn't the best. So I wouldn't recommend adding foam soap to your clear slime. Maybe if you like making the slime already, like you add it to your glue, but not slime. So yeah. But this was a complete fail. Don't do this. It is a terrible idea. Look at what happened. This needs a slime makeover, guys. Okay. All right, well, let's get on to the next one. That one was terrible. Yeah. All right, guys. So next we're gonna do is everyone's For Everybody Kids Soap 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath. And yeah, it's tropical coconut twist. So let's do this. You know what? First, I'm gonna add my food coloring. I just made this one. Put some blue. Beautiful. And we're gonna add that into there. Is it glooby? Is it globby? It smells so good. It smells like coconut with that twist. Okay. This is kind of getting like the same texture as the other one, but like thicker, I feel like. All right, ta-da! Okay, so here's how it turned out, guys. It's kind of like thick and very smooth, and I cannot wait for this one to clear up. And it is super crunchy. I wonder what would happen if I added clay to this. Like, would it turn into one of those inflating slimes? I feel like it would. It's like so nice. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, next we're gonna do these little bath slime things, and I thought these are so cool. They're all sparkly and pigmented. I really wanted to do this, and so yeah, we're gonna be doing it. Okay, so we're gonna do blue and green. I want to see how that will look. Smells good. It's blueberry scented. Oh, it's that green apple. Granny Smith apple. Dang. Smells so good. Okay, here they are, guys. Let's see. Okay. Okay, well, these are more like Jellos, guys. Look how cool it is. Okay, this isn't a slime at all. I do like that it's a Jello. I would have preferred it to be bath Jellos, but whatever. Whoa, bro. Calm down. Let's go ahead and mix these, guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay. This is gonna be interesting, guys. Okay. This is actually feeling very, very weird because it's like feeling really jello-y and fluffy, and it is completely melting. Moral of the story, don't add bath slime Jellos into your slime because it doesn't do good. It does smell fantastic, so you know, that's a little plus. We're just gonna add a bunch of activator into that. This activator bottle has had it today. I'm just gonna go ahead and add like a lot of that. Alright guys, I haven't needed it for so long and I put so much activator. I even got like a small piece and I put a bunch of activator and it is not activating. So I don't think this is gonna work out, guys. But here is the end product. It basically became a fluffy mess. Maybe if I put like stronger activator or like more slime, but I don't know. But it does feel pretty cool, I don't know. Alright, well I guess that is it. Paul, can you
what?
Put the camera up?
Oh.
What are you even laughing about?
Okay.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want another one. And that is it. Love you so much and I hope I see you next time. Bye!